A mini strainer is not something that you think you need in your kitchen arsenal when you're first building it, but you'd be surprised at how handy this is. A mini strainer, not only is it small in size, but it's actually very fine in its mesh, and that allows you to do a lot of things that larger strainers don't let you do. So I always use my mini strainer, for instance, when I'm dusting with powdered sugar, whether that's on a cake or a little fruit tart like this or on pancakes. I also use a mini strainer when I'm trying to get capers out of a jar of brine, or when I'm trying to strain lemon juice to remove the seeds and the pulp. I also use it when I'm straining a sauce, because no matter how good you are, sometimes there might be a few lumps in there. You can strain a sauce through a mini strainer. You can skim something off the top of a pot if you need to. You can also use it, and I use this all the time, when I'm soaking rice or quinoa or other things that are really, really small and you need to drain the liquid away. A mini strainer is what you need. A larger strainer might do the job, but it's really cumbersome. You'll be amazed. Mini strainer, it's a keeper.